The poem Beowulf, the Wyrd concept. The concept of Wyrd in Anglo-Saxon culture roughly corresponds to the idea of personal or common destiny. In some cases, especially in the poem Beowulf, it carries a contextual connotation, denoting an unkind destiny, a fate, or an evil doom. Usually, it is a set of events occurring around and in a person's life. It is often associated with the concept of supernatural will, which does not imply the capacity of man to create his own future. According to the researcher's version, the modern word Wyrd came from Wyrd, but its meaning has changed a lot over time, and we can see only a distant connection with the original meaning in some linguistic constructions. As an example and confirmation, a synonym, inexplicable, can be given, which partly emphasizes the original supernatural meaning of the word. Fate, in the context of the word under study, always represents changes in a person's life. Thus, events that cannot be controlled and affect the current moment or hidden forces that determine the future can all be interpreted by the concept of fate. The word Wyrd in Beowulf is responsible for versatile meanings and purposes. That is, it is related to the course of life events and simultaneously determines the future. However, the subtlety and popularity of this concept lie in its main difference from the generally accepted concept of fate. In the philosophy and religious notions of fatalism, fate is something that cannot be prevented or avoided in any way. Wyrd, on the other hand, is an ancient concept that, while seemingly inevitable, can provide one with choices. With this ambiguous meaning, the concept has attracted many researchers to Beowulf, which is already one of the most researched literary works in the world. The ability of Wyrd is to put a person in a situation where they can determine their future and even partially feel or foresee it. This concept may be the reason for the incredible power of Beowulf himself, for with the ability to determine one's life path, great opportunities come. Furthermore, despite the inconsistency of the pagan concept of Wyrd with Christian or Muslim tenets, the ability of a higher intention not to determine but only to nudge and guide the strong people is fascinating.